Presenting the Kia 2021 Seltos EX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 146 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with climate control, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.